You ever wake up and just feel dull? Not tired, not lazy, just like something inside you is dimmed. The drive that used to push you, the edge that made you feel unstoppable, it's gone. You don't feel weak, but you don't feel powerful either. It's like your spark got replaced with static. You see people with that quiet confidence, not loud, not arrogant, but solid, and you can't help but wonder where yours went. This isn't about testosterone or muscle size. It's about energy, masculine energy. That grounded, purposeful force that makes you walk into a room and command attention without saying a word. Most men are losing it, and they don't even realize it. Today, we'll uncover exactly what's killing it and how to rebuild it before it disappears completely. Masculine energy doesn't vanish overnight. It fades quietly, like a slow leak you don't notice until you're empty. It's the small choices that drain you. Avoiding confrontation because you want peace. Staying silent even when you disagree. Scrolling endlessly instead of acting. Every time you do that, you choose comfort over clarity. And that comfort comes with a cost. The cost is your vitality. Masculine energy feeds off purpose and challenge. It needs something to aim at. Without that, your instincts dull. Your mind overthinks. And you start mistaking passivity for peace. But peace without power isn't peace. It's surrender. And most men today are living in that quiet surrender without realizing it. You were built to handle resistance. That's how masculine energy grows. Through pressure, through struggle. But modern life made everything easy. Food comes in minutes, validation comes in seconds, and distractions never stop. You no longer have to hunt, chase, or build. You just consume. And in that consumption, your instincts fall asleep. When your body never strains and your mind never struggles, your spirit stops growing. You might feel relaxed, but deep down, you feel restless. Because comfort without purpose rots the masculine core. True strength isn't about always fighting. It's about being capable of handling what others can't. When life stops testing you, you stop testing yourself. And that's when your energy starts to fade. Men have been taught that showing emotion makes them weak, but avoiding emotions doesn't make you strong. It makes you numb. Masculine energy isn't about being cold. It's about being composed. A composed man feels anger, frustration, and pain, but he doesn't let it control him. When you bury how you feel, those emotions don't vanish. They sink deeper and drain your focus, your clarity, your patience. Over time, you become detached, not calm, but disconnected. You stop feeling excitement, attraction, pride, because all emotions fade together. A man without emotional range looks fine on the outside, but goes nowhere inside. Emotion isn't the enemy. Unconsciousness is.
Masculine energy lives and dies with purpose.
Without it, every day feels the same. You wake up, do what's expected, move through the motions, and wonder why you feel heavy. Purpose doesn't have to be huge, it just has to be yours. It's what keeps your mind aligned and your body alert. When you stop chasing something meaningful, you drift. The world starts shaping you instead of you shaping it. Most men lose their energy because they stop building. They stop leading their own lives. Purpose is what gives you gravity. It keeps you centered when everything else moves. Without it, you're just floating, moving, but not choosing the direction. Every scroll, every short video, every dopamine hit, it's rewiring your brain. You're tricking yourself into thinking you're achieving something when you're not. Masculine energy thrives on earned reward, the satisfaction that comes after effort. But now, you get the reward first, and that's the trap. Every swipe floods your brain with dopamine without movement or growth. So when it's time to actually work, study, build, train, your brain resists. It's too used to easy rewards. That's why you feel lazy and restless at the same time. You didn't lose discipline. You just trained your brain to expect victory without battle.
Your body is your foundation. It's how you communicate energy before you even speak. When you sit all day, shoulders forward, chest collapsed, eyes locked on a screen, you're shaping yourself into submission. Your body tells your mind how to feel. An upright posture signals strength. A collapsed one signals defeat. Over time, your nervous system adapts to that defeated shape. Your breathing shortens, your awareness dulls, and your confidence fades. Masculine energy needs movement, lifting, stretching, walking, not for looks, but for grounding. When your body is strong, your thoughts follow. When your body is weak, your emotions lead. Reconnection starts from the ground up. One of the clearest signs of lost masculine energy is the inability to say no. Every time you say yes to things that don't align with you, you give away your power. You start living for approval instead of alignment. Masculine energy grows through clarity, through choosing what matters and protecting it. Boundaries aren't walls, they're structure. They show people you respect your energy. When you stop over-explaining and stop seeking permission, your energy shifts. People who used to overlook you start paying attention, because now you respect your own word. That's when your masculine energy starts returning, when your actions finally match your intentions. Rebuilding your masculine energy isn't about becoming aggressive or emotionless. It's about returning to your natural rhythm. Start by doing hard things on purpose. Wake up early, train your body, work with focus. Do what demands effort. Stop chasing instant comfort. Learn to sit in discomfort until it becomes your new normal. Focus on your posture, your breathing, your stillness. These are not small things. They're signals to your brain that you're back in control. Take your attention seriously. Where your attention goes, your power flows. Limit distractions. Choose silence over noise. Think deeply again. The more intentional your actions, the stronger your energy becomes. Presence is the final form of masculine energy. It's not loud or flashy. It's magnetic. When you rebuild presence, people start noticing without knowing why. You stop reacting and start responding. You stop chasing and start attracting. Presence is built from self-trust. When you keep your promises to yourself, you stop needing validation from others. You move slower, speak less, stand firmer. Every gesture carries weight. That's masculine energy at its peak. Calm, certain, grounded. You don't have to prove anything, because your existence already does. Losing your masculine energy doesn't mean you're broken. It means you've been disconnected. The world pushes men to be soft, distracted, and constantly seeking validation. But your nature is still there, waiting. You don't need to find it. You just need to remember it. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, silence over noise, purpose over comfort, you reconnect. Every time you move with intent, breathe with control, and speak with clarity, you rebuild. Masculine energy isn't something you chase. It's something you return to. It's not about being better than others. It's about being strong enough to lead yourself. The world doesn't need louder men. It needs stronger ones. Men who move with direction, who protect their values, who bring stability wherever they go. That's the kind of man you're becoming. Not by force, but by remembering who you really are.